Welcome to Quickstep for Beginners Lesson 2. Today we will learn lockstep. And let's meet our demonstrators Robert and Katrina.
Hi, we are excited to show these dance steps for you.
And we hope you will enjoy this lesson.
We start with man's steps. Man starts lockstep with right foot, forward outside partner, forward and slightly to side, cross behind and forward and slightly to side. Now let's look at lady steps. When man dances forward lockstep, lady dances backward lockstep. Lady starts with left foot, back, back, crosses in front and back and slightly to side. And now lockstep in closed hold and body contact, slow, quick, quick, slow. And from opposite direction, and slow, quick, quick, slow. Now let's look at footwork. Man starts with right foot, heel, toe, 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 heel. And again, heel, toe, 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 heel. Now ladies footwork, toe, heel, toe, 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 heel. And again, notice that lady in third step releases toe of left foot. After a lockstep, we always take next step outside partner. So we dance lockstep, and next step will be outside partner. Now let's look at small routine. We do preparation step, then we do quarter turn to right, then progressive chassé, and now we continue with forward lockstep, and again another forward lockstep. And with teaching count, 5, 6, 7, 8, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. When we dance progressive chassé near corner, we can make 1/4 turn to left, which is usual amount of turn, or we can turn more up to 1/2 of turn to left, so we can travel around corner. And let's put this version into our routine. 5, 6, 7, 8, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Robert and Katrina, and also special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all new videos and learn personally from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed today's video and see you in the next dance videos.